Hello, class. So today for my Discrepant event, I'm going to be doing an underwater volcano, which will demonstrate convection currents. And for this event, you're going to need a glass of cold water, as well as a piece of aluminum foil, food coloring, a poker, and then a glass, smaller glass, which I'm going to add some hot water into. So the first thing that we're going to do actually is fill the smaller glass jar with some already prepared warmer water. And to this warm water, I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. I think I added about 3 drops. And once that's good and colored, I'm going to add the piece of aluminum foil tightly over the smaller glass jar of warm water. And I'm making sure that it's really tight. And to the top of this warmer jar of water, I'm going to poke a hole in the aluminum foil. Then I'm going to gently and carefully lower the warm water into the glass of colder water. And afterwards, immediately, you start to see a reaction. And what's actually happening is the warm water starts to escape from the jar because warmer matter rises. So the warm water is actually escaping and mixing with the colder matter, which is, in this case, the cool or colder water. And if I can just see if I can get you guys to get a better view of what's happening. One moment. So clearly in this, you can see that the warm water is escaping from the glass jar and actually mixing in with the colder matter, which is the warmer water, the colder water. So, and this in turn creates the volcano effect. And once this warm water starts to mix with the colder water and the temperature drops, this is when you get the convection current. Because once the warm water mixed with the colder water and it started to lose its temperature, it started to descend down. And that's what's actually happening here. Um, yeah, so this is my volcano, underwater volcano.